What is it? I just gave my wife a compliment because I thought her hair looked really nice, but it's like, what do women really like is and what they need is they like water and compliments. Wine and compliments. Well, that's my wife. Oh, fuck.
Don't put that.
Just because you're like slowly, man. You're fucking cranking them in. Fucking watermelon. Babe, that's not even straight.
Don't film me. Come on.
Huh?
Don't film this. Don't. I'm not signing off on this. I'm not
Take that
signing
out. Slow your roll.
I am, but I can't see because you're there.
What?
I can't see when you're there.
You're gonna need glasses soon, like me.
Well, you're gonna need glasses.
Easy, man. Hold on.
Don't go straight.
Stop, but do it by hand. Stop. Take that out for a sec.
I got it.
No.
I did all the other ones. It's fine.
Yeah, but just take this and like, just start it, man. So it's straight. Like,
It
look
was.
at it. No,
It
no,
was straight.
no. Now it's straight. You're fucking crooked. Dude, you're crooked.
It goes in straight after.
A lot of things go in straight, sometimes come out crooked. All right, so I'm still working on this reel over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line it up on that line close to the pine there, and then I am going to pop a couple screws in there. Let's do that now. So we're here. We got Michelle's cooking pizzas. She cleaned the window of the fireplace. It looks amazing.
Here I am.
And we are working on the kitchen.
Hi.
And she's just getting the pizzas prepared. And this is what we got accomplished today. We got, this is where the fridge is going. We got the upper cabinet hung, and that cabinet hung, and that cabinet hung. And then tomorrow we're going to put the filler panels in, and we'll move the fridge over and kind of clean up this area. And yeah. So Michelle's making pizzas right now. The doggies are comfortable. Juno is sleeping.
On the barbecue.
Juno's sleeping. Well, he was sleeping. And then Kobe's here. Hi, Cobes. And then Michelle is outside cooking on the barbecue. Because she's a pro. I cook a pizza on the barbecue.
Thin crust pizzas, Yvonne. I know you can't wait.
Yeah. No, it's awesome. No, and the weather's fantastic up here.
Look, I'm in a tank top.
Yeah,
Woo!
like outside. It's like 2 degrees. So it's all good. It all starts with that. Oh boy. So we had a few drinks last night. We got some work done. It's a little after 8 a.m. What are you doing? You're just dying to go outside, aren't you? So I think the plan today is we are going to... Yeah? Good morning to you too. Kisses. 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 Yeah, it's a good boy. So I think what we want to do today is we want to, I'm going to put the panel in on the left side of the fridge and the filler gap. I'm going to put in the big panel on the other side of the fridge, on the right side of the fridge. I'm going to... What was that? You're beautiful. Good morning back. He has spoken. You're funny. All right, so Juno wants to eat. So like I was saying, we're gonna get the, I gotta work on cutting like the filler panel and attach it to the side.
I've got to work on getting the big panel attached and on the right side of the fridge. And then I've got the little panels to go on each side of the cupboards. So we're gonna attempt that, get the doors on and the shelves, and then move the fridge into place. So that's the plan today, but first, much needed. Good morning. Okay, we gotta do this measurement on the saw here because I have to line up clamps. So I need to know what the measurement is from here to the blade and then minus that. And that is 5 inches to the cut. So then 5 inches to the cut is where I want my line. And if you look at this down here, let's get a good view of this here. I've already got my line there. But I need to put that blade on at the 5 inch mark around here. So I need to figure out my measurement there, minus 5, and then line one of my, something like this up, piece of wood, something so I can run my saw along to cut this Ikea board. I only have one, I cannot make a mistake. A little better.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ambassador Bridge crossing in Windsor into Detroit since Monday. Police moving in around 9 a.m. backed by a transport vehicle. Other officers on some. In Alberta, Premier Jason Kenney says he will instruct the RCMP to enforce the alert block or impede traffic into Buffalo.
It's pretty good though.
All right, we're gonna lock these in because I've got this in the position of where I want it. So we put our little clips in there and then we'll turn it. Why they're not working, I don't know. We may need to put it into the top there. All of a sudden these are not working. That would probably be why. Right, we'll give that a twist. And then a full twist that way. Okay, we're gonna put our little clip in there. We're gonna twist it and tighten it a little bit. Then we'll take a flathead screwdriver. And then we just give it a quarter turn. And then that would be that one locked into place. Panel's done over here. And we're ready to go to the big panel over in the middle. That is not going to be fun. Apparently somebody's having a good time at today. Not as good as I am, but yeah, so we're going to attempt to get that big panel in there and try to lock that in and get it even. All right, 19 3/4 is our mark, and I made a mistake there because I have to minus 5 inches for the blade. So I plussed it, and I need to minus it. So we're gonna change this up
and we're gonna get that right. Our initial cut is, we need 24 3/4 minus the 5" for the blade. So we need 19 3/4. So that's where I went wrong. 19 3/4. I think, man. All right, so then our measurement, we need 24 3/4. And that would put us with a 5" for the blade. That should make it right. Okay, but I'm gonna go inside and double check. You guys come with me. Let's go double check. You guys wanna go in for a second? It's getting spicy pea out here. All right, so you know what? We're gonna just check this together because I'm sure this panel is not cheap. So the measurement that we're looking for is the above fridge measurement, which is the cabinet, right? Plus, you gotta make 3/4" for the door. So let's just check it right. This is 24 plus 3/4 inch minus the 5" on the blade puts us at 19 3/4. So this should be right. So let's go outside and let's try to cut this thing. Oh boy.
What?
She was dancing like Axl Rose there a minute ago. All right, you want to go outside too? Look at the ding-dongs. The monkeys. All right. Oh boy. Where's the fridge plugged into?
I could probably clean this out and then pull another drawer.
Huh?
Probably.
Were you saying something?
Yeah.
What were you saying?
I'm talking to myself.
Huh?
Talking to myself.
Okay, so we pushed the fridge in, we leveled it up a little bit. So the line, we still have to put the filler plate in the back, but we have to buy another piece from Ikea, so that's on hold until we get that. But Michelle noticed, like, we've had this problem. We bought this fridge, and you can see that the doors are not even. So we thought there was an adjustment pin, and we thought maybe it was because the floor is unlevel. And then Michelle opened the doors and noticed that there's a plastic plate under there, and there's no plastic plate under this one. And so, like, cause this door should come up like this, right? And so that's what's the leveler. So I guess, who is it,
That's
Whirlpool?
Whirlpool.
I guess Whirlpool didn't put it in. Good on you.
That's why.
Good on you, Whirlpool. So we're gonna have to figure out where we're gonna get that plastic filler
Washer.
piece.
Just like a washer, right? Plastic.
We can, like, listen, we can.
That's why the door never stays open.
Yeah.
Drives me crazy because every time I'm in there.
I thought I drove her crazy.
Well, you know, you in the fridge. Hi.
Kobo, are you cleaning the floor again?
He's like a sucker fish in a fish tank.
And then I think Michelle's gonna work on getting some doors and stuff together so that so we can kind of use this area. It's not done because Michelle wants to put a coffee bar here, and as you can see, there's no electrical. So I'm gonna have to run a big orange extension cord because that always looks nice in the kitchen. So I gotta pull everything out. I gotta pull this off. I'm gonna pull a couple shiplaps, and there's a plug behind where the stove's plugged in, because this was supposed to be a coffee bar slash beer bar. The fridge was not going here originally. It was gonna go over on this wall, but because of the wonderful thing she does, we have changed this over to here, and I need to run, yes, I could drill a hole through the counter and run, you know, run the cord over behind the fridge, but I just think that's stupid and doesn't look really nice. So I think I'm gonna put the, I'm gonna make an electrical plug there, but that means I have to take out the bottom cabinet, pull a couple of those pieces of shiplap, pull the fridge out, and then Bob's your uncle. And then I'll run that plug in there so we can plug the coffee maker in, and it'll be a pain in the ass. I wish I would have known this. I guess I did know this, but I didn't know this. I would have done it yesterday, but before I put everything in. But I just do it for you guys, man. What would I do? I gotta create stuff to do.